Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Sarah with the Happy Hootie. Today I am going to test out something I read online to see if it works. So I really enjoy working out, and when you work out a lot, you end up getting these nasty stains on your shirts. So I have this little white shirt here. As you can see, it's got all sorts of yuck all over it. So what I'm gonna do is what I read online is you use this Dawn Powerwash. I got the free and clear because I've got a lot of allergies with my kids and my husband and everybody. So I have to use that sort of detergent with everything. So what they said to do is you spray the Dawn onto the material. I'm going to scrub it around a little bit, and then we will throw it in the washer with everything else. And I'm going to see if that actually takes out the stains. Because in the past I have tried the OxyClean on it and that did not work. I've tried Shout on it, that did not work. I've also tried to strip the clothes using a couple different things I've seen online, and that was also a failure. So I'm hoping that this Dawn works. Let me spray it on there. Let's see here. Okay, so we're gonna spray. Make sure I get it all in there. And come back over here. And get it sprayed on there, and I'll soak it for just a few seconds. I let it soak in for maybe a minute or two while I get the rest of the laundry going. And we will shove it in the washing machine for a round, and whenever it comes out of the washer, I'm going to check it before I put it in the dryer to see if it took any of the stains out. So I'll check back in with you soon. I just finished getting my shirt out of the wash, so we are going to unfold it and see how it looks before I throw it in the dryer. So it's a little hard to tell because it's wet. I still see some staining on there, but it may have improved. Let's see the other side. This side seems to be a little bit better. So I think I'm gonna shove it in the dryer and just see what happens. Okay, the shirt just came out of the dryer, and I will say I am really impressed with how well it looks. I just sprayed it on there and scrubbed it around for a little bit, and I maybe let it sit on there for a minute before I started it up, and it looks worlds better from the stains that were on there before. I'll put some before and after pictures on here so you guys can see it, but I am going to run through a lot of my clothes like this because, like I said, I get a lot of white shirts that start looking pretty bad. So I will say the Dawn Powerwash works with stains. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.